On WhatsApp, sometimes you may have turned on disappearing messages. What that means is that those messages will be deleted after a specific time. That means sometimes it'll be 24 hours or 7 days. Anyways, if you don't want those messages to be deleted automatically, you can turn off disappearing messages. In this video, we'll be telling you how to disable disappearing messages on WhatsApp. For this, open the WhatsApp application, and in any chat, if disappearing messages are turned on, you can see a sign like this. Select that contact. For example, I'm selecting this contact. Here you can see disappearing messages are turned on. That notification is there. If you want to disable it, above you can see 3 dots. Click on these 3 dots, and here you can see disappearing messages. Click on this, and here you can see the message timer. Sometimes it'll be turned on like 24 hours or 7 days or 90 days will be selected. If you want to disable that, just click on off and go back. When you go back, disappearing messages will be turned off. Here you can see you turned off disappearing messages. After that, every message you are sending will not be deleted automatically. So, this way, you can easily disable disappearing messages on WhatsApp. Hope this video was helpful for you. If you find it helpful, consider subscribing. See you in the next video.